So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Monero, ticker symbol XRM, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, go to the bottom, press on the Explore button. Then at the top, press on Search. Then type in ticker symbol XRM, which actually doesn't show. Sorry, XMR, my mistake, Monero, right here. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy XMR. Then type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for this demonstration, I will type in $20. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow on the right. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and review the amount of Monero you're buying, the price, the fee, and the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction. Press on the purple confirm button located at the bottom, and then go that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Monero, ticker symbol XMR, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.